Hello guys! Get ready for a fun Animal General Knowledge Quiz Part 3. Let's go! What is a group of lions called? Pride! What is a baby kangaroo called? Joey! What is the national bird of Canada? Gray jay! Which mammal can truly fly? Bat! Which animal is the tallest in the world? Giraffe! Which of these animals has the longest lifespan? Bowhead whale! What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah! What is the largest land animal? African elephant! How many legs does a spider have? Eight! What is the world's smallest mammal? Bumblebee bat! What is the largest species of penguin? Emperor penguin! What is the largest species of shark? Whale shark! What animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion! Which animal can see even with its eyes closed? Camel! How many did you get? And what's your favorite animal? Comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe.